upgraded new windows and doors, and then we put all new casing around the windows and upgraded baseboard throughout the home. We exposed this party wall, which is the existing or the original brick of the home. A lot of these row homes in DC, they're covered with years of plaster, so we have to actually chisel the plaster down and then seal the existing brick and make any repairs to then keep the exposed brick wall, which is an element and design feature that people love in these row homes. Open concept, we showed you guys this while under construction, or we talked about the open concept a few weeks back. What we did here was we basically installed a whole new floor system above to open this whole first floor up and give you that open concept feel, which is very popular in these row homes because they were constrained and tight. Here's our kitchen. We installed this wine nook, beverage center, coffee bar, and we did this custom built teak wood kitchen island. Crown molding is a 2-piece crown, and it wraps all the kitchen cabinets throughout the home and is continuous throughout the first floor. We have marble countertops and a marble backsplash with a beautiful chrome pot filler. 36-inch stainless steel range, which has these awesome new blue knobs. They're starting to pop up around town. They're interchangeable though. You can do red, you can do brass, you can do chrome. So one thing we did in this house was we upgraded the staircase. The old row homes don't have staircases that are up to current building code. So we created a new opening and inserted a new stairway. We also upgraded all the stair rails. One thing we did in this home was we completely reconfigured the second floor. We're standing here in the primary bedroom, and we created an ensuite primary bathroom and a walk-in closet. This space is not overly large, but it feels nice and expansive with this tray ceiling above. The primary bathroom here has a spa-like feel to it. The finishes are beautiful, and it's all marble tile walls and floor. This is a cozy primary bathroom with a big expansive furniture-like vanity and some beautiful wall sconces and mirrors. Primary shower has this bench, again, to give you that spa-like feel. We have a handheld shower fixture close to the bench, which allows you to use the bench and shower simultaneously. One feature I really like about a primary bathroom is having this separated water closet with its own entrance. Standing here in the hallway bathroom, we made it a little bit larger when we reconfigured the walls. We're standing outside on the deck that we built here in this home. It's a very large deck for Washington, D.C. row home, and it's got stairs down to a private carport. So we've got a walk-in basement here in this home. We installed this exterior wall. This previously was an open storage space below the addition above. And so we put footings in, put our exterior walls up, and conditioned this space.